In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in real time on Confluence Whiteboards with Draw.io. We'll start right inside Confluence. Open your workspace in a browser and navigate to the page where you want the whiteboard to live. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so you can add content. If you don't see the edit option, check that you have permission to modify the page in your space. With the page open for editing, place your cursor where you want the whiteboard and use the / command. Type /, then start typing draw to bring up the option to insert a Draw.io board. This is the quickest way to find the macro without digging through menus. If the Draw.io option doesn't appear, your Confluence instance might not have the integration enabled, so it's worth checking with your site admin. Select the option to insert a Draw.io board. Confluence will embed the board directly on the page, so your team won't have to jump between tabs. Once it's in, begin laying out your content. Add shapes, connectors, text, and sticky notes to map processes, sketch architectures, or brainstorm ideas. Use colors and labels to keep things clear and group related items to stay organized. Simple formatting on the canvas goes a long way in helping collaborators understand your thinking at a glance. When you're ready to bring others in to work with you, look for the share button on the board and click it. This opens the invite dialog where you can send collaboration invites. Sharing from the board keeps everyone working in the same place and enables real-time updates. Add the email addresses of the teammates you want to collaborate with. You can paste multiple addresses if needed. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to control whether people can edit or only view the board. Choose the level that fits your use case. Clear, descriptive invites help recipients understand what they're being asked to review. After entering the addresses, click Done to finish sending invites. Your collaborators will receive an email with access, and as they join, you'll see their presence on the board. From here, everyone can edit together in real time. You'll notice updates appear instantly, which makes workshops and reviews much smoother. Keep communication flowing in the page comments or your team chat, and use consistent shapes and colors so everyone can contribute confidently. That's all you need to collaborate live on a Confluence whiteboard with Draw.io.